Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 13.3. Question number 1. Find the number of line symmetry in each of the following shape. How will you check your answer? So that will be A part 4. 4. How will we check will that? First of all, you can draw the diagram. So that 1, 2, 3, 4. So that for B part there will be only 2. There will be only 2. And then B part, and then where is C part? B part only has 1. And then C part has 2. That will be, you can draw the diagram and you can write the symmetry line. And then D is equal to D has 2, E has only 1, and then F has only 2 line symmetry. And then question number 2, A part, that will be copy the following drawing on square paper, complete each one of them such the result figure has 2 dotted line is given there. So that this is the dotted line and then this one is given that. So we will draw that like this same, like this same, like this same. For B part, dotted line is this. So that is 1 and then this. So similarly we will go this one, and then this one. Similarly here also will go, and then this one also like this we will go. Write this like this. Every diagram you will be draw like this. See the C one also, C part also, this is the dotted line. So similarly this one. And then like this also. Like this also. Oh, just wait. This one will be come inside. Come. This will be go that side. This one, and then this one. So this will be this one. This will be like this. D part will be also same like this. This is the dotted line, and then you are looking this work if you will be do on dotted paper, then you will be draw the diagram perfectly. So that will be, so that like this. And E and F part you can do that in each figure alongside a letter of the alphabet is a draw along with the vertical line. Take the mirror image of the letter in the given, find which letter look the same after reflection. So that will be third question, that is given A. That is a dotted line, so that will be also look A. Sorry, this will not. That will be also look A. B, this is the reflection line, so that will be look like this, opposite B. So that will be same, or this will be not same line of symmetry. Similarly you can do O, E, M alphabets is given there. Okay.